welcome to my channel. This is not going to be a very lengthy video. This is about past 7 a.m. I just wanted to show you guys how I take my jaw whites. Remember I told you guys I stopped taking jaw whites because I was sick, and so now I'm able to resume taking jaw whites. Honestly, jaw whites worked for me, and when I took a break in between, of course it had its effect. I lost that shade that I got, and had to maintain my creams, but it's just this glow you get from supplements that you don't get anywhere else. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I take my jaw whites. Okay, so I'm taking jaw whites. This is jaw white 2.0. Some people will send message and say that I got this one, is it the original? Yes, this is jaw white 2.0. I've thrown away my old jaw white, but this is the new and improved jaw white. This is how it is. The expiry dates that I put on. Okay. Then of course I'm taking my vitamin C, and then I included Glutaberry in my supplement as well. Glutaberry is also very good, although it's not really a lot, so I don't take it every day. I only take it on the day I'm taking my jaw white, so that it can last me a little. I take my vitamin C every day, right? So what I do first is I take my vitamin C and I make it into a drink. So if your vitamin C is tablets, you can swallow it. I'm not a fan of swallow, so about sweets. So I just pour it into my container. If you grew up in Nigeria, you know how boarding school is now. You just open boarding school in your house, normal. So this is it. Now, jaw whites, some people swallow like jaw whites as it is, but when I first started buying jaw whites, a bit more power. So these are jaw whites. It's 20 capsules in it. So some people swallow as a kill, or another very effective way is to open the capsule and put the contents behind your tongue, not just in your mouth, behind your tongue. That's what I'm going to do. And let's drink my vitamin C. So it's best to actually take your supplement on an empty stomach. Because that's when glutathione is more effective on an empty stomach. Because I feel like if you eat, your body's just going to like break it down as maybe normal food. I don't know, but I think it works better on an empty stomach. It probably breaks down faster. I don't really know the science behind it, but supplement works better. Glutathione supplement work better on an empty stomach. So On the joy packet it says for 30 minutes. I usually wait an hour. The days I'm taking my supplement, I wait 1 hour before I eat anything else. So I don't take my Glutaberry immediately. This is how Glutaberry is. It contains glutathione, coenzyme Q10. That's even one thing that made me pick it. The Q10, grapeseed extract, collagen, berry mix, glycine, vitamin C, and all of that it has. Some people say that only Glutaberry gives them what they want. That's just by using it alone. I'm new to it, so I'm still observing it, but as always, it is essential. So this is it. Now it looks like a beetroot juice. You can make it into this amount, but I don't do that much. Sometimes I do, but I do it like this, so it's still concentrated and shake. So I'll just be sipping it within that 1 hour before I eat something. It's not very sweet, it's not bitter. Like drinking beetroot, drinking wine. So that's how this is. I just wanted to show you guys quickly how I take my supplements. So with Joe White, a lot of people can confuse the timing. Today is Wednesday, so the next time I'm going to take this is on Friday. The next time I'm going to take this is on Sunday, and then Tuesday. So you skip one day every 2 days. You skip one day in between, because sometimes you might think that when they say skip 2 days, like today is Wednesday, the next time I'm going to take this is Saturday. No, every 2 days. Right? Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.